Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we will going to identify or determine the degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, and the constant term of the given polynomial function. Example number 1, f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 5. So find the following: the degree, the leading term, leading coefficient, and the constant term. Okay, degree, ito yung pinakamataas na exponent sa polynomial function natin. Okay? So, kung ano yung pinakamataas na exponent na nakikita natin. And this example, the degree is 2. And the leading term, ito yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent. So, which is 3x squared. So, that is the leading term. So, ang leading coefficient, ito yung coefficient ng leading term natin, which is 3. And constant, ito yung walang kasamang variable, which is 5.